Make yourself comfortable and prepare for this journey from darkness to light and empowerment. Close your eyes and let's begin. Imagine yourself as a tiny seedling deep within the earth. The damp, cold soil clings to you. It locks you in its embrace. The weight of the soil is pressing you down, smothering you. You want to break free. That's okay. Simply observe how you feel in this moment without any judgment. You don't know how long you've been stuck here in the dank, dark ground. It could be a day, a week, a month, or even a year. The soil is sometimes cold and sometimes warm. Time passes slowly. It's all the same here. Then you feel it, that sense of anticipation, the sense of change. The energy around you has shifted. There is a gentle pulsing of the soil. The air moves. You realize it's time to grow and send out a tiny root deep down into the ground, sliding through the soil. You stretch upwards towards the nourishing light of day. The instinctive urge to grow, to stretch yourself and free yourself from the suffocating bonds of the dark earth. You can feel the resistance of the old ways holding you back, but you are stronger now. You simply slip through the soil and leave it behind, knowing that before you is the warmth of the sun and growth and freedom. Finally, your struggle pays off, and the tips of your leaves emerge into the daylight. The sun's warmth touches you as you stretch forward. You grow stronger and stronger. Your leaves gently unfurl. You bask in the light of the warmth of the day. You reach skyward. But even now, growth isn't always easy, as there are still the challenges of the cold night air, sometimes so cold that you feel your need to curl your leaves back around you again for protection. The wind pushes you from side to side, but you realize that the swaying makes your stems grow stronger, and your leaves, although a little scarred now, are also stronger. You realize that your stem mustn't be too rigid because it needs to give to the wind and be flexible, and that flexibility is your strength. By bowing to the wind and the movements of time, you are more resilient. Now the wind softens to a gentle breeze. It caresses your leaves. You sigh. As you get stronger, a tiny bud forms in the center of your leaves. It's closed tightly with only a glimpse of color at the tip. Imagine it now. What is its color? It holds a promise of something fantastic. More time passes and the sun warms your leaves and the rain nourishes your roots. You're preparing for your final transformation. Time slows almost to a still. Your bud pulsates with energy. It stretches forth and opens into a beautiful bloom. Imagine this bloom as it represents your growth. Feel its strength, feel its power, feel its energy, and see the beauty within. The petals are shimmering in the light of the sun. You are this bloom. You are the strength. You are this power. You are awesome. Take a moment to appreciate your journey. You've gone from a tiny seed, stuck and unloved and unnoticed, into a beautiful blooming flower. You have transformed into something magnificent that was there all the time in the baby tiny seed. Carry this sense of resilience and beauty with you throughout your day, and now open your eyes. You feel refreshed, connected to the world and your inner potential. Take a couple of deep breaths, stretch out your body and move your limbs, wiggle your fingers and toes and smile to yourself. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Please share any feelings you had during this meditation in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it, as it helps to share it with more people and helps the channel to grow. I hope you have a great day.